9.
9.
9.
Wochentage.
Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Der Montag.
Monday.
Monday.
Der Dienstag.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Der Mittwoch.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Der Donnerstag.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Der Freitag.
Friday.
Friday.
Der Samstag.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Der Sonntag.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Die Woche.
The week.
The week.
Von Montag bis Sonntag.
From Monday to Sunday.
From Monday to Sunday.
Der erste Tag ist Montag.
The first day is Monday.
The first day is Monday.
Der zweite Tag ist Dienstag.
The second day is Tuesday.
The second day is Tuesday.
Der dritte Tag ist Mittwoch.
The third day is Wednesday.
The third day is Wednesday.
Der vierte Tag ist Donnerstag.
The fourth day is Thursday.
The fourth day is Thursday.
Der fünfte Tag ist Freitag.
The fifth day is Friday.
The fifth day is Friday.
Der sechste Tag ist Samstag.
The sixth day is Saturday.
The sixth day is Saturday.
Der siebte Tag ist Sonntag.
The seventh day is Sunday.
The seventh day is Sunday.
Die Woche hat 7 Tage.
The week has 7 days.
The week has 7 days.
Wir arbeiten nur 5 Tage.
We only work for 5 days.
We only work for 5 days.